Hey guys, what's up? It's Missy here, and today I will be doing a curl tutorial. I'm super excited because I got new products this time, and I just want to show you my new hair look. So stay tuned, everyone. And also, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up after or while you're watching this video. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm so excited to share you guys my new products I got from Ulta. Obviously, Ulta does not sponsor me. I just love this store. Get my eyebrows done there. Literally get everything beauty-wise from Ulta. But anyways, okay. So recently I got new shampoo and conditioner. I'm using the We Dab products. This one is a gentle, clear and gentle shampoo. I like it just because it definitely helps out with my curls. You know, it just like, my biggest thing with my hair is like I need hydration. So if I use shampoo and conditioner that doesn't hydrate my hair, it will just get really dry. And since I have color in my hair, it's like the worst combo. And to go along with this shampoo, I use the Balancing Rinse Conditioner as well. Yep, that's it. And these two are a pair, they go together. So I really like it. I already did this. I already used this conditioner. I washed my hair this morning, so didn't do the shampoo part. Okay, and the products I'll be using today is the Redken Curvaceous. I think I used this product before. Yeah, so it's for ringlets and just like it's a lotion type, you know, product, which I need for my hair. Look, again, I like with my curls, I just need hydration, because if I don't, it's just not gonna curl well. Oh, and my new product is the Pattern Leave-In Conditioner. I love it's bomb.com. I got this small one because I just wanted to test it out when I first got it, because I was just like, you know, like I just didn't want to get stuck getting like a huge, you know, size, and then it just didn't work well with my hair. So I was like loving this all day, every day. Definitely supporting Tracy Ellis Ross with this one. Love it. And last but not least, we'll be using my Moroccan oil. I used this on my last curl tutorial. You can get this anywhere at Nordstrom's. Ulta sadly does not carry this brand, but I sometimes don't use it every day because sometimes it can just be a lot. So I just try to use it sparingly, and it's expensive, so you know, save my coins. I did not brush my hair yet, so this is gonna be a moment for sure. That took a minute to comb out those tangles. Okay, it's all brushed out. Got the part I want. I hate when I like put in my curl stuff and I forget to part my hair like the way I want. And then now it's like too late. I'll be like, okay, I'll just deal with it. Okay, so the first product I want to put in is a leave-in conditioner pattern. Usually I put more in than a dime size, they tell you to, but I mostly just focus on my ends. I really don't put it at the top, but every hair is different. I just love what this product does to my curls. It's like amazing. All right. Then we're using the Redken Curvaceous Spirals Ringlets. This is definitely lasts me a while. I got it in January and it's already like, not February, March, so it definitely lasts a while. I'm thinking about in the summer cutting my hair. I don't know, I just feel like I want like a change, like not super short, not like a bob, no way. Not to like say like bobs are terrible, but like just that's a little too short for me. But definitely like, I don't know, like sometimes like I'm over my long hair and then other days I'm like, no, let's keep it. I'll be like in between sometimes. But I feel like my curls do better when my hair is shorter. All right, we're done putting in product. I'm going to hold off on putting in the Moroccan oil. I like to put it in when my hair is getting semi-dry. It's just too wet right now for me to tell if it's going to be frizzy or not. But stay tuned, everyone. I'm going to show you the final product. Also, if you want to know my makeup, leave comments below and I'll tell you all the details with that. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Can't wait to see the final results. See you guys in a few seconds. Well, not seconds, but see you guys later. Hold on. Hey everyone, I'm back and this is my final result of the products I used for today. I love the hair result. I super love the pattern product. It just leaves my hair super hydrated. My curls are back to bouncy and ringlets. I love it. I just think these two work really well together. Next, when I do run out of this product, I'm going to get a bigger size. But yeah, like I have no complaints. Love every moment of using that product. Yeah, guys, so this concludes my hair tutorial for today. Please leave your comments below. I love reading your comments, and also make sure to give me a thumbs up in this video. I super appreciate you guys, and yeah, and make sure you guys to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will be back soon, maybe another curl tutorial, maybe another outfit, like get ready with me's, like that. I don't know if you guys like those, but just let me know, and thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.